There's kind of a desert down in this area, and it's really hot and dry. Down here, there are a bunch of marshes and swamps, and so it's really humid. And sometimes it feels like we're living in both of those places at the same time. Like Arizona and Florida teamed up and were like, hey, you know, it'd be funny to these kids, wet and dry and hot weather the entire time.
The house was just so humid in the summer.
There's always that smell to it, and you know, it's like you have the friends over, it's like, oh, don't go in the basement.
Yeah, in our old house in the basement, we constantly had a dehumidifier running.
There's nothing worse than trying to sleep in a really humid house, which is why I love adjusting the temperatures to fit my comfort.
What a difference it is. It's not as musty, the basement, you can actually have activities down there with the kids.
So it's nice, they can play in the basement and I'm not embarrassed. It's good.